Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make oxygen from carbon dioxide. We'll explore the fascinating science behind converting carbon dioxide, a common atmospheric gas, into vital oxygen. This capability is incredibly important for long-duration space missions, creating sustainable habitats, and even for environmental applications here on Earth. We'll cover both mechanical and biological approaches to this essential chemical transformation. One primary method involves a two-step process: electrolysis and the Sabatier reaction. First, water is electrolyzed, splitting it into hydrogen and oxygen. Then, the Sabatier reactor takes that hydrogen and combines it with carbon dioxide, producing methane and, crucially, more water. This newly formed water is then fed back into the electrolyzer, creating a closed-loop system that efficiently generates oxygen. A remarkable example is the MOXIE instrument on NASA Perseverance rover, which directly converts Martian atmospheric carbon dioxide into oxygen. MOXIE utilizes solid oxide electrolysis cells, operating at extremely high temperatures, around 800 degrees Celsius. These cells electrochemically split the carbon dioxide molecule. This innovative device has successfully demonstrated the ability to produce approximately 12 grams of oxygen per hour on Mars. Beyond mechanical systems, biological methods offer a natural approach. Plants and algae perform photosynthesis, absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. Bioregenerative life support systems leverage these organisms to create a balanced ecosystem, recycling air, water, and waste. While more complex to manage, these systems hold immense promise for long-duration missions, offering a sustainable and renewable source of oxygen for future human exploration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.